Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the Redmi Note 7 Pro. Make sure it has battery, cellular data, and you're unlocked. Once done, enable developer options because you may need USB configuration settings later. Tap MIUI build 7 times in About Phone. Next, plug the phone into your PC with a quality USB cable and choose File Transfer or PTP if prompted, since that allows the tethering profile to initialize. Make sure USB debugging stays off, unless you need it for troubleshooting. Now enable the tethering feature. Open Settings, go to Portable Hotspot, then find USB tethering. Once the cable is connected, toggle USB tethering on. The phone shares its mobile data over the USB link. The why is simple. This converts your phone into a network interface for the PC, so it uses cellular internet. On the computer, allow any driver installation and confirm a new network adapter appears. If the toggle is grayed out, make sure mobile data is active and cable is firmly seated. To finish, confirm the PC can browse the web, open a page, or run a ping to test. Make sure battery saver and data limits are off, because those settings can kill tethering. If the connection is unstable, switch the phone's USB mode between file transfer and charging briefly, then re-enable tethering to refresh the link. If nothing works, reinstall or update the PC's USB network driver. That resolves most driver mismatches and restores the tethered connection quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.